Welcome back to another one, and today we are going to go to an online server and we are going to see how many people we can race and beat. Let's get into it. The first car we're going to be using is going to be the, not the SRT. The SRT is good, but it's not the fastest. We're not going to do racing this, but we will show it off. We will do some drifts in it, some, fun times. See you on the road. Alright, we're on the street. You can obviously see this is a Tokyo drift car. So it's the drifter. That's why we can't really race it. But we can take her for a little joyride. She does have a pretty good pickup. She is a beast. Jeez, gotta get hanging with her. I don't use her. Just a little much. This is why I don't drive it. Because, yeah, I do love how it looks, but, the distance is a little crazy. But once I get the hang of it, we should all be good. So yeah, I got the hang of it now. Ooh, that was a nice good. Get out of your car. Oh, if I take it back, I might have the control on this. I have some control. I just have all the control I want. Starter car. This is the starter car, and I do not recommend. Well, I'm not saying I just don't recommend turning into a drift car instantly right when you first get to game. I would wait until you have a better car before you turn into a drift. Because who doesn't love a drift car, especially if it's Tokyo Drift theme? So, oh, well, that was enough of the joyride. We're gonna take it back to the shop, and we're gonna pull out something different. See you there. I think the car we're gonna be bringing out might be Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, kick a tiger by its tail. If you, I don't care. I'll pull up the Since I love the Dodge so much, I'll pull up the Mustang because I'll save the Dodge to second for last because obviously best car goes last. I'll see you on the roads. This one we can try to race someone in, but we're not able to try to do them. But we can lower to our top speeds. Going a little too fast. Oh, dang, my brakes didn't work. As you can see, she handled like a dream. You know, the only car I usually drive is Dodge and the Lambo, and apparently I can't see. But I'm looking at other things. Yes, my love thing. Why am I? I don't even know the song. Shout out to whoever this is, guy. Because I mean, like, I guess it's a good song. Maybe some people like it. I don't know it, so I don't have any idea of it. When we open it up to the free world. And if you're watching it, I'm so sorry. As you know, if you look at my thing, I'm a small YouTuber. And hopefully this is my start, but we have no clue. And I'll never be able to tell. I mean, we have all these YouTubers who are rich. Well, started off rich or wealthy, and those are the ones that are decently good. But then we have the ones who started off broke, like me. I'm broke, obviously. I mean, I don't got a job, so. But that's besides the point. And also, I'm a video gamer, so I have decent tech. Everything works to play games, so if I can play games, I can give you guys content. And if I get one like on this video, that means I made one person happy today. And if I forgot to tell you, it'd be nice if you liked and subscribed. And time to bring her back to the shop. Meet you there. This time, it is the Dodge Challenger SRT. I think it might be a demon. I don't know. All I know is it's an amazing car. Bring her out. Now, when I bring her out, I want you guys to listen real careful. Make sure everyone in your house is quiet, and I want you to hear for that turbocharger in it. It sounds nice. Meet you on the road. All right. I know I'm yapping, so you really can't hear it. So we're gonna pull her up right here. And ready? Ready? I can hear that supercharger. If you can't, then I would advise you to search up on Google what a Dodge Hellcat SRT, I think, what it sounds like, and your ears will be blessed after hearing it. Oh yeah. So okay. So I want you guys to go in the comments, tell me what game I should do next, and we can also do suggestions on Roblox too. I do some Roblox, but I am pushing more to Xbox games, and I will do the whatever comment I feel like. The most the most I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. I think the next time I'm doing this, I'm gonna drop a Call of Duty. And if there's something else, if there's something different you want me to do, make sure you let me know that. You have until, since today it will be posted May 3rd around 11 o'clock. You will have till May 5th, and that will be my next episode that I do from the comments. The next episode I'll do is a Call of Duty one. I will always give you a 2-day head start. Pick what game you want to get. Well, technically it's only 1 day, because, you know. Let's go take her back in the shop and let's pull up the Lambo. See it. Alright, let's pull this beauty out. Sorry. Sorry. Let's pull her out and let's see how fast she goes. Actually, I know how fast she goes, but it's time for you guys to see how fast she goes. This is definitely a good car to cop. If you don't have it, I would suggest getting it. Even it's not even the fastest car in the game, but it's a nice looking car. But out of all the cars I own, definitely get the Dodge Challenger. Best car I own. Well, looks wise. Well, let's get it. Ooh. Let's hit her up on this road. Okay, let's do the high speed we can get on this. Without me crashing. I might crash. And you guys have seen I'm a bad driver. Fine, we'll go over here. Okay, who hired me? We're gonna get a car here. Let's see how fast she goes. This time we're not crashing. I just chased myself. And if you guys let me talk less, let me know, or talk more. I don't know what I'm actually doing right now. I'm yapping. Also, don't forget any songs you give me have to be age appropriate. Well, you seen how fast she goes? We'll do one more lap, and we'll be done. On a good day, when we have a good open area, she'll go to 200. Coming up to the end. And if I didn't say it already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you don't, that's alright. And if you hit that like button, that makes me know that I made you happy. And don't forget to suggest the next game comment. That is me logging out. Peace.